In a lush, verdant forest, where the sun peeked through the leaves, a tiny hummingbird resided. Known for its vibrant hue and rapid wing beats, this humble creature had a heart larger than any of the grandest beasts in the forest. One day, a mighty forest fire broke out, spreading flames that threatened to consume everything in its path. As the animals fled in terror, the hummingbird, small and seemingly insignificant, hovered before a stream. A wise old owl, perched on a nearby branch, observed the hummingbird dipping its tiny beak into the water, then flying off to the edge of the blaze. Over and over, the hummingbird repeated this process, seemingly oblivious to the danger. "What on earth are you doing, little one?" the owl called out. "Your efforts are futile. The fire is far too big for you to put out." The hummingbird, without turning, replied, "I am not trying to put out the fire, I am simply doing what I can." As the fire raged on, the hummingbird continued its task, darting between the water and the fire's edge. The other animals watched in awe, their doubts slowly fading away. Eventually, the fire was contained, and the forest was saved. The animals returned to find the hummingbird, exhausted but unharmed, perched on a branch. They gathered around the tiny bird, awestruck by its determination and selflessness. "What can we ever do to thank you?" asked a timid rabbit. "You saved our home with your small, yet mighty efforts." The hummingbird looked down at the rabbit, its eyes shining with wisdom. "Do not thank me," it said. "Remember that even the smallest of creatures can make a difference when they do what they can." With that, the hummingbird took flight, its wings beating rapidly as it disappeared into the forest. The animals watched in silence, each pondering the humble bird's words. In the days that followed, the animals of the forest began to help one another, no matter how small their contributions seemed. They realized that no act of kindness was ever too small, and that together, they could overcome any obstacle. And so, the humble hummingbird taught the forest creatures the true power of doing what they can, and the incredible impact even the smallest of actions can have on the world around them.